What's up there, guys? Woo, having a nice little pullback here. Did anybody take any trades during the lunch hour? Well, that's a nice little bounce off the pivot. Excuse me, guys. Ah, man, that thing just shotgun past the pivot. Bounced off the VWAP on the ES. Ah, dang it. There we go. Did anybody take any trades during the lunch hours? There we go. Dumpity dump dump. Come on. Let me use a 2-minute candle. Maybe we'll take it off that 2-minute. Oh. Yeah. Victory. Come on. Let's get a big deep sell off. We get past that pivot, man. We could go, not the pivot, but the VWAP. Get above the pivot. Let's see. Can't see it. We'll risk like $10 to stay in this trade. We sold our first couple contracts already off that pivot, so let's just see if we can get down farther. I don't think so. I think it's going to go back up. That's a pretty big freaking wick. That was a nice 20-point move that we got off the pivot there. But it looks like this one's going to go back up. You can tell anytime you get a big wig body like that with a small, whatever previous color that is, that's most of the time a bullish sign. We just took a few points off of that fish lips. We were trying to leave a single runner in that. Oh man, I didn't realize that we just hit the IBM. I totally missed that. I wasn't even paying attention to it. If I saw that, I probably had put my stop loss there. I mean, my take profit. Did you take any trades during the lunch hours? $800s. All right. What do we? We'll take it off that pivot there if you want. I'll give it a whirl off that pivot. I'm gonna lower it down to 2 micros this time. Just to, trying to keep from risking a lot of our profits. Excuse me. Man. Let's see if this 50-50 pivot sell is going to work. Wrong one. All right, we'll go to the next candle up. We'll see if we can take one off there at the 42s, then leave a runner. So we're in this trade for 7 handles, 7 times 4. So $28 is what we're in this trade for if it loses. We're going to keep it very low risk this evening, guys, because, I mean, as long as we stay over about 250 for the day, I'll be good with that. So that gives us about $80, $90 of play around. I'm going to take a little profit off at the, I'm going to sell one contract here off at the, what do you want to call it? 20, and we got the VWAP right there, just in case we get a 20 touch in reverse. And we may go to break even after that. That'll put us up about 10 handles for there we go. Hit our first target there. Yeah, that's where I got my take profit at for my final one, fish lips. That's why we put it there. We've had lots of resistance there. So I don't know. We could go straight through it. What do you think? Maybe since we've retested it so many times, we could go straight through. We're at that mid session and that the opening range low. If we get through this, maybe I'll add one more contract. All right. All right, we'll use that mid-session low here as our stop loss. Come on, 63. You think we got? Oh well. All right. I'm not gonna be too greedy. That was a nice trade. Woof. Nice trade off the pivot. Might even get a chance for another entry on a pullback because we just retested. Basically, we broke the high of all these equal highs up here. So that puts us up $446 for the day on this 25K eval. We're up 719 total overall on this account. This could be a nice bullish candle right there. Let's see. I'm still kind of struggle taking these, but I've been trying to recognize this 3 candle right here where you get a nice bullish candle, a small red candle pullback, and then you go long here, which I didn't do, but I've been trying to get better at recognizing those moves. Wow. Dude, I can't believe we just left another 30 handles on the table. Holy crap. My goodness. As I'm sitting here talking about it, it's like 30 points. Maybe we try taking some more of those next week. Maybe we'll try to recognize this candle pattern a little bit more because this was a nice setup right there. Whew. I don't know how many more times I want to pull the trigger, guys. I mean, we already had our nice trade in the power hour. I feel like I should have listened to fish slips and put my take profit up there at the 800s and just see if we could have got the 800s instead of the equal highs. I would like to see us maybe get this nice wick test right here. Maybe a pull back into like the 66, 65. Let me make sure there's nothing way over to the left. Oh, I bet it's. Oh, is this? This is not the wick test right here, is it? We're gonna try it just to see what happens. I mean, this is kind of a wick test off of the 1 minute. It's struggling a little bit, guys. Once we go to 78, we'll try to hit the break even real quick. If we get to the 78s. Mm, golly, it just barely one ticked. I mean, it's like Oh my goodness. It went to 78 but didn't go to 78.50. Oh my goodness. What are we in this one for? 6, 7. Okay, so we're still in this move just for 28 bucks. So still not bad. So 4 plus 7 times, yeah. Wait, 7 times $6? $42. I'm sorry, we're in this trade for $42. Once we hit that 80 mark, we'll go to break even. All right, free trade. We're going to choose 95 just because a lot of times we hit that 800, we'll have some resistance. If we hit the 800, we'll have some resistance. See, plus we're at a pivot level and a support level on the ES at the 50s. So, all right, we'll take a little bit of profit as it goes. All right. So whatever happens here, we either will take 5 points from this or we'll take the 95. So whatever happens first. Yeah, I figured it may go higher, Methodical Man, but we're just at the pivot in the 50 right now on the ES. I'm not gonna be greedy, man. That'll put me over $500 today on this eval. If we hit the 95. So we almost took 10 points on our runner so far. Oh, come on. Don't 90. Look at 90 back talking us. Oh no. No, don't do it. It's right at it. Oh, Doji. No. Don't pull back. Someone blow on it. There we go. Come on. It's not looking promising, guys. Had a little bit of a 90 resistance. All right. Oh my goodness, we are missing the 500 bucks by $18. So let's see if we can maybe get another pullback and find another little entry. We just got to be careful. We are only about 8 minutes away from the 230 or 330. We're going to go down to just 2 micros. We need to see a deeper pullback. I'm not saying this might be all we offer, but I like to see something a little deeper. We're going to go to break even quick. All right. We gave that no room to run. We want break even once it got into positive. This next candle is probably going to be the one. Let's see. I wanted to see a pullback into between the 9 and 20s. But it did offer a nice pullback. We just did not manage that one right. Yeah, that'd be nice if we get a bigger move in the next, say, 5 minutes. Or, I mean, I feel like this was a decent move. I just didn't capitalize it. I was just being overly cautious with it. It was a classic pullback into our EMAs. So to kind of break that down, this candle never broke this previous candle. You got long here, but like I said, I pretty much went to break even as soon as we got into positive. Because I have gotten in some of these a little bit too early sometimes, and we end up pulling back into the 21. So now we've already. So right now, I will not take any more 9 pullbacks. The only pullback I will take if we can pull back closer to the 20. Well, I don't know. We have this nice big wick there. So, well, I don't know. We retested this wick right here. Well, no, we didn't. That wick went through. Hey, is it going to touch it? Let's see if it touches it. Oh, man, that was. I thought we were going to get a little wick test off of that one right there, but we didn't quite get back far enough. 20 micro contracts? Wow. Dude, 20 I'm surprised you're just not trading 2 minis over there. Woof. I wish I was able to do a better job on holding this trade because our first entry was actually down here at the 25s, 27s. We bought down here off of the pivot. And we sold at 63 earlier. I should have listened to Fish Lips because he said we were going to the 800s, but we didn't. That would have been a good 75-point move. I know. I didn't listen to Fish Lips. You said we are going to 800s. It was Friday. I was just trying not to be greedy. Jay and the VWAP. Dude, this thing's going all the way to 62 on the ES, man. Holy crap, dude! This thing's gonna be like a rocket ship. If we can get any kind of pullback in a minute, we'll try to hop back in. We're just on 2 micros now, guys, so we're limiting our risk as much as possible. 818's next. What is that 818? Is it this off of these right here? Oh, this. There it is. Okay. Mm. All right. We'll see what this next candle does, and maybe we'll take a little. We'll try to get 5 handles or something. I don't know. What is we got? 1-1. Yeah. What are we risking? Oh shoot, that's 10. So two times 4. That's probably got to have a deeper pullback. What is that? $4 times 10. Is that $40? No. Oh no. Oh, it's $30. $30. All right, let's see if we can hop in there and take one up to the 18. Getting a nice little pullback. All right, so we're retesting the 9. Man, I'd really like the one to kind of get into this area here, is what I'd like to see. Yeah, I probably could have did some DCAing on that one since we were in it for so little. Patience. Uh-oh. Oh, I did. Okay, give me a minute and I'll reset my camera. Man, can't fucking. I'm sorry, I can't freaking grab this thing. All right, so we're kind of be watching the opening range high here. Oh, look at this big wick test. We're just gonna make this a free quick trade. Either be a winner or it won't be. Okay. Yeah, I have a hard time putting those stationary orders down there, fish lips. I was hoping I could get the long off that big wick there. Let's see. Yeah, that opening range low and high is pretty solid there in the evening after the market slows down. All right. Yeah, we'll work on doing more of that next week, fish lips. Since this was kind of the first week of me really using this indicator, which I've liked it a lot. It's been probably one of my favorite indicators as far as support and resistant levels go. Yeah, especially on the the first first hit. Is it gonna hold? Hmm. We're kind of looking to see if this opening range high is going to hold for us here. If we get to 74, we'll go to break even. All right, break even, free trade. Come on, no love. No love. Can't get the breakout sessions every time. You know, that's just kind of like a 50-50 thrown up in the air when you get those free trades like that. That's the only down part of playing our stop loss so close. We got a nice little I feel like we have a nice little short setup happening right here with our 9 and 20. Just couldn't enter it in time. Man. Just couldn't pull the trigger on time on that one. Ugh. Nice. Oh my god, dude, we just missed a freaking 20-point short. That was the first setup after the cross. This is why I like these trades. These are like some of my favorite trades lately. So you get that 9 crossing the 21, you get the nice little U shape, get the wick to trade back in there. Man. Wow. Nice. Jay's lobby over here has me laughing, man. Jay's lobby has me over here laughing, methodical man. He's pumped. Fish Lips, did you take that pullback on that one? It was such a nice one too. I was saying like I wanted. Here's a nice short setup, and I'm sitting there just staring at it. Wow, look at this nice short here. Whew. Man. Man, it's getting loud over there, methodical man. It's getting loud. Didn't hit it quite quick enough. I was trying to get it. I was trying to get it closer to this VWAP. Man, we were trying to get over that $500. Yeah, I think it's going to go back up. The ES is trying to push back above the 42. What made me jump in this? I saw that we were trying to lose that 42, and I just did not have the momentum to keep pushing. Um, Dude, methodical man, Jay's kind of going on a Patrick rant. getting, it's getting pretty wild over there, man. All right, we got 2 minutes left before the power hour candle. Do we just throw in one micro? Which way you think it's going, methodical man? Give us the methodical man guarantee. You said you're going long? All right, we're gonna put it on one micro and go long. Oh, we're gonna go. What's that? 20. All right, we got less than a minute, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can jump in here before we get that 250 death candle. We're just going with one micro, guys. One micro only. I don't know, man. Normal play, I would go short here. All right, we're just gonna put a resting order here at these. We got looks like almost equal highs here at the 77s. Oh, we didn't get nothing for the death candle. Oh, sounds good, fish lips. Well, I'm in one micro, so I'm a target longer. So I'm either just going to lose a little bit of money or make 30, 40 bucks. All right, we're just right at break even. So if I get over 500 bucks, we may kill it though, because that'd be kind of a. Come on, ribbit, rip it. Come on, methodical man, give me a ribbit with the R. Rip it. Rip it. Come on, at least give methodical man his 85. Come on. So so he can tell me all about it later today. I got that big move. 85, there it is. There's your target. Oh, I'm at 509. I'm over 500 bucks. I don't want to lose it. Yes, 550 bucks. Whew. Oh, just enough. Just enough. Oh no, there's the five. Oh, is that the 55 death candle? That shit's early. Oh my god, dude. We got the death candle like a minute early, guys. Man. All right, we're good for the day, man. We're not gonna risk no more. I figure my goal, if we got to 500, we're good. Whew. The greens are everywhere today. Nice. Making the dream works. Oh my god. So we only got about 4 minutes, guys. So you should get a little bit more reaction around the 38, I mean the 58 time if you are in a trade right now. But we had a pretty good close of the day. It was a pretty good power hour. So we had a nice move off of the pivot over here for 30 or 40 points. So we got another nice scalp over here, then this scalp here. So we got about 3 pretty good trades over the last hour. We also had like a couple small losers too, but nothing that really took big chunks out. I think 30, 40 bucks here or there, but we were able to get it back. I was kind of worried trading coming in today with being, Papa Powell speaking, but it's actually been a pretty good day. We had a couple consolidation moments where we consolidated. So this right here is why I try to leave for the lunch hour because I don't want to be tempted to try to trade this mess here. And that's what's usually been what'll happen sometimes. Whew. So next week we may try a couple trades on Quant Hour because this weekend we're either gonna buy a couple fast tracks. So, but this weekend I'm gonna try to watch some videos just to kind of see if I can learn to trade on fast track because I don't know. It's just like when I first started trading Ninja. I struggle even trading Ninja when I first started, but now I've been using Ninja so long, it's the only thing I'm used to. Yeah, we got 500 on this account, and this other one we are up to 27. So a $700 day between both accounts. short the short bus for Husky and MM. Oh goodness. Oh, struggle bus. Okay. Like the short bus. Oh my goodness. Hey, I didn't know what you meant officially. I was like, well, Oh, no, you're good, man. I'm all about sarcasm. Sarcasm is usually a good time for. That's the way it works in my family. I like sarcasm. If you're not being sarcasm towards your good family members, you don't have no love for them. All right, guys. So this is going to do it for the end of the week. It is the market is closed, so now we're kind of in the at the hours closing from that 4 to 5. If you're willing to trade that, I usually don't ever take trades that time. I have, but they don't ever work out good for me. I think I did that one day because I was just kind of frustrated just to do it, and it don't usually work out great for me. Sounds good, fish lips. Have a good week. Hopefully the conferences aren't too bad sitting through. I know some of those can be kind of sleepy sitting there. All right, guys, we will be back Monday morning, bright and early. So hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Oh, so you're presenting. Okay, so you're giving the speech. Okay, nice. I would struggle probably. I know whenever I did college, I struggled doing the speech classes when I had to stand up in front of class and give speeches. I've always struggled in front of folks. It'll be a lot of a lot of those with me trying to give a public speech. Okay, so you got it down as an instructor. Yeah. I mean, I struggled just in a small class. I can imagine doing it in front of a bunch of people. All right, guys. Sounds good. We will see you guys Monday morning. Thank you, guys.